The families that I've spoken to this week here in the north of Gaza have been shocked by what they have returned to. They've been shocked by the complete scale of this destruction. Even after seeing photos and videos from the south, they hoped that their homes, their neighbourhoods, their communities maybe had been spared. And as they come back here and realise that's not the case, the hope that they've been holding on to for 15 months crashes into a deep heaviness. And this is particularly traumatic for children who have endured so much already and are now coming back to communities without water and without healthcare, without the basics that they need to survive. This is life after war. This is what people are coming back to.